few extra functionality to the Incident Select product. Most notably is KPI logging. So this gives the user the ability to log costs against the system. Will allow them to determine the cost basis of what they're getting out of the system. So it'll show them what the cost per camera per day of the system, what it costs to run, and it'll even go into telling them how much each incident costs the system. So when they log an incident, it'll apportion a cost against that, that allows them to see how efficient the system's running. We've also added a number of functions to help the user when they're logging the incidents. So we've added things like a spell checker now to try and avoid mistakes, and this means that when you go to search back on incidents, you don't miss the incident you're looking for because somebody's misspelled something. And alongside that, there's also the thesaurus and things like that we've added to that. I think the key needs for the users of these systems, first and foremost, is simplicity. A system's got to be simple to use. There's no point in overcomplicating things, and that just makes it awkward for the user. So with our incident logging system, we've obviously got a simple form to fill in to complete an incident. It uses primarily drop-down boxes, so the operators don't have to do too much typing. They don't have to think too much about what they're doing. They just have to choose from a predefined list. Alongside that, obviously, when linked to Fusion Core Solar, the incident system will import all the camera list with times and dates for the cameras that's being used as part of the incident. So the operator doesn't even need to think about which cameras were used, what the time and date were, and things like that. It's all preset for them. Well, obviously we've got to look at paper-based logging systems, and obviously having everything written down on bits of paper can be very time consuming to collate that information and to present it. So obviously having something that's PC based, software based, it allows for quick and easy searching of details. So you can search for a specific criteria for incidents and retrieve the records with that detail in milliseconds. So it allows you to collate the information, see what's happened. You can produce the graphs. I mean, this is all very time consuming with a paper-based system. Putting information into a spreadsheet, getting the spreadsheet to then produce a graph can be very time consuming for the manager.